Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am showing you guys how I wash my hair. I wanted to make this video because I think that, well, I don't know about you guys, so I'm not going to speak generally, but I underestimated for a long time how important really washing your hair is, and really making sure that you invest the time in this step and do a good job. So I wanted to just share what I do and a couple tips that may help you out as well. So the first thing I'm doing is just wetting my hair. I did a hot oil treatment prior to this video, so I'm just wetting my hair and also kind of loosening up any debris that I feel may be on my hair and scalp. Next, I'm going to go in with my shampoo. I'm using the ORS Creamy Aloe shampoo. This is my favorite shampoo. I have tried a few other shampoos this year, but I always come back to this one because not only does it get your hair really clean, but it also does not dry your hair out. I've used shampoos in the past where my hair was squeaky clean, but it also left my hair really dry, and it made my hair easier to tangle and mat up. So now I just go for this one because it does everything I need to do without stripping my hair. And while I'm shampooing my hair, I'm really focusing on getting my scalp. That's the first thing I'm doing, is massaging, making sure that anything that's on my scalp I'm trying to remove. And this is also good to help circulate blood flow. I know a lot of people don't like to scrub or scratch their scalp, but I have square nails and I also have gloves on, so I'm not really scratching my scalp. I'm just more so kind of like I said before, lifting anything up that's on my scalp, any dandruff, any makeup that might have gotten on my scalp, any product. That's what I'm doing. And I'm also stimulating my scalp. So this is kind of the same effect if you were to use a scalp brush. I don't know if you guys have seen those little round or those little scalp brushes that have the little teeth on them. That is my equivalent to doing that. So if you don't like that, what I'm doing, you have sharp nails, then maybe you could invest in a scalp brush. I believe that would be good as well. Now I'm going in with my second wash. I do wash my hair twice with the same shampoo. I don't use multiple shampoos anymore. I just use the same shampoo with each wash. And again, I'm focusing back in on my scalp. One thing that I like to do when I'm washing my hair is I like to focus all over my head, but specifically on my hairline and the nape of my neck. And the reason why I do this is because I do my makeup every day. Also, this is an area for some reason where I get a lot of buildup and dandruff in the front and in the nape. So I'm just really making sure that I really get those areas really good. And I know this video is only a little over 6 minutes, but it takes me about 15 minutes to really wash my hair, get it as clean as I like, and thoroughly rinse out all the shampoo. That is a very important step as well that I used to kind of rush through. And I will say that I have started only washing my hair in the shower. I find that for me, being that sometimes I have buildup on my scalp, it's just easier to make sure that I get everything off of my scalp and thoroughly get my hair clean by getting in the shower, putting my head all the way under the shower head and kind of moving my head around the different angles to make sure that I have gotten all of the soap out. And the shower head for me, it just really hits my scalp well. It knocks all that extra stuff off that I might have missed, and I just really like it. I find that I personally get a better clean washing my hair in the shower versus in the sink, and for me it is a lot more comfortable. So that's why I wash my hair in the shower. And when you are washing your hair, you not only want to take time to really you know, suds up your hair. Make sure you get everything off your scalp. But like I said, you want to get all that shampoo out as well from all over your scalp and off of your hair, because if you leave that on, not only could you possibly irritate your scalp and cause buildup, but you could possibly also dry out your hair and scalp as well. So you want to make sure that you get all of that off. And the same thing for conditioner. It's been so many times where I have like rinsed my hair after doing a deep condition, and I had chunks of conditioner still in my hair, and it ruined my whole hairstyle. So just make sure you really spend time rinsing out your hair, washing it really good. And this is what I do. You guys can feel free to share any tips that you have with me. I'm sure other people would like to know what you do as well. And here is the length of my hair when it's wet. My hair feels good. My hair feels moisturized. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.